Here's this brand new Lennox Merit Series central air conditioner. It was replaced in early 2000s Payne Teardrop heat pump. Don't remember the exact year, but I filmed it just over 2 years ago. And it has a two-bladed fan. Never seen that on a Lennox Merit Series before. And I think this is actually a straight cool unit. Yeah, that's a straight cool. I don't know why they replaced a heat pump with a straight cool. 17 SEER, so this is a higher end one. Yeah, this is brand new. Obviously hasn't been running. It's a little bit too cold to have the air conditioning on, but I figured I'd grab a video on it. And then there's your Sanyo mini split there. That'll be it.